Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. One of my fondest memories is when I was growing up, everyone wanted a Swatch watch. Well, guess what? You can still get one. This gorgeous blue one was given to us as a gift, and it is so like the classic. It's a perfect watch for everyday use. This watch has a really delicate band. You can see that the face is a nice petite size. It's about 1 inch across, and the band itself is 8 inches. The watch really keeps track of time so well, and it has such a pretty look. The face itself has an iridescent look to it, and you can hear that classic ticking sound. On the bottom, you can see all of the gears and mechanisms working, which is a really cool feature, especially for my daughter who really has not seen a clock very often. I really love that she can wear this watch whenever she needs to be able to keep track of time and also to learn time because it has all of the numbers clearly on there with that second hand ticking away. The coolest part about this watch is that it really does bring back memories of having the old school classic Swatch watch. This one is just as good in quality, just as cool in appearance, and will help you to always know what time it is. But that's just my point of view.